Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming essentials, Python version, and an isolated environment. Create and activate a virtual env now so changes stay local. This prevents system-level conflicts. Once done, list installed packages with pip list or pip freeze to reveal missing modules. Make sure to note package names and versions. This saves time when installing or pinning later. If a requirements, TXT exists, prepare to use it. Now, you have the baseline needed to repair missing dependencies. Next, install the missing packages by name. Prefer exact versions if available to avoid regressions. Use pip install R requirements, TXT for bulk installs, and watch pip output for dependency conflicts or incompatible versions. For packages that require compilation, install system build tools and headers. On Linux, add build essential and Python 3dev or equivalent. If a package fails to build, try wheels from PyPI or upgrade pip and setup tools. Once installation's complete, rerun piplist to confirm success and move to verification. Finally, verify by importing modules or running your test suite to ensure runtime resolution. If import error remains, check that you activated the correct virtual env and that Python path or sys. Path isn't shadowing installs. Also confirm you use the same pip executable tied to your Python. Use pip check to reveal broken dependencies and pipdeptree to inspect version conflicts. If needed, uninstall and reinstall problematic packages or recreate the virtual.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.